Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect headphones over to a Fire TV device. Now, if you want to see the written instructions on how to get this done, you can find a link to my website in the video description. Before we begin, there are some things to keep in mind. The first is that the Fire TV device you're trying to connect to must support Bluetooth. That's requirement number one. The second requirement, which may not shock you, is that the headphones that you're using must also support Bluetooth connectivity. So that's the first requirement. Actually, those are the main requirements, really, to be honest. The other things are more things to keep in mind of note. So in some cases, even though you might get it all connected and working, it's possible that the audio will be out of sync. So explosion sounds might be a little bit out of sync from what's being displayed on the picture. When people talk, their lips might be out of sync. That really depends on the kind of Bluetooth capability of the Fire TV device as well as your headphones. The best thing to find out if it's going to impact you or not is just simply connect them, try it out, and see what happens. The next thing, of course, is that in some rare cases, even though if you get audio working through your headphones, it might still continue to output from your TV or even like your home theater system like a soundbar. That's pretty rare, but it depends on how your HDMI port is connected on your TV and if the TV manufacturer has some proprietary technology in which it allows pass-through of audio to all home theater devices. If that happens, just simply mute your TV and home theater devices and enjoy private listening on the headphones. So with that said, let's dive into the headphone setup, which there's not much I can really explain there because it varies from each headphone, right? So for example, in some headphones, you have to press and hold the Bluetooth button. In some cases, you have to press and hold the power button. Sometimes you have to press a multifunction button, whatever. The command to enable Bluetooth syncing varies between each manufacturer. So read the manual that came with your headphones. With that said, we're gonna dive into the Fire TV setup. So switching over to the Fire TV device, what we're gonna do is go to the far right, which is the system settings menu. Now, Amazon is known to kind of change this interface up, so the settings menu might not always be on the far right, but generally that's what you're pretty much looking for. At this point, with your headphones still in pairing mode, assuming, you want to go over to remotes and Bluetooth devices, then go down to other Bluetooth devices, add a Bluetooth device, and there are my headphones, the Jabra Elite 85H. I'm just going to select it. Now, in some cases, if the pairing takes a minute or longer, just be patient, just wait around, let it connect and do its thing. And in the off chance it fails, just again, try it again and see what happens. And as you can see, there's a volume rocker notification at the top because what I'm actually doing is adjusting the volume on the headphones itself. And now that's pretty much it. It's synced up and I'm good to go. And that's pretty much a wrap on how to connect headphones to a Fire TV device. So if you found this video useful, be sure to check out my website and social media links in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.